Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetic. It is class 20. Title of this class is ratio. It is very important part of mathematics concept, especially in ratio and in arithmetic and algebra it used a lot. Here we define ratio, definition of ratio. The ratio define the relation between two quantities such as A colon B or A over B or A to B. Here we can write by column. Here every ratio can written in three uh, types: by column, by fraction, as like this, or by word A to B. Here A is the first quantity and B is the second quantity. Here is an example. If we have 8 pins and 5 notebooks, then explain the ratio between these two quantities. Now we want to uh, explain the ratio between these two quantity. Ratio of pins to notebooks. In three tips we can show that uh, pins to notebooks, or we can write as fraction, or first first quantity is pins and second quantity is notebook, so we write pins in numerator and notebooks in denominator, or we here it is the words which we write here ratio of pins to notebooks. It is the word uh, types. Now, how many pins we have? 8. Colon, how many notebook we have? 5. Here, we can write 8 over 5. That means in every group of pins and notebook, for 8 pins, we have 5 notebooks. Or for every 5 notebooks, we have 8 pins. Ratio we can also explain as ratio of also we also can write 8 to 5 as a word. Here we changed the plus of notebook and pens, so it is the ratio of notebook to pens. First we want to write notebooks and second we write pins. 5 colon 8, or we can write 5 over 8, or we can write 5 to 8. It is the explanation of the ratio between two uh, quantities. Second example. Example, if we have 3 pins, 6 books, and 9 notebooks, then the ratio of pins to book to notebook is is pins colon books colon notebooks. Pins, how many pins we have? 3 pins. How many book we have? 6 books. How many notebook we have? We had 9. So here we multiply all of them by their LCM. The LCM of these ratios, these numbers. Here we have 3, here we have 6, and here we have 9. We multiply all of them by 3. Here we have 3 divided by 3, 1. Colon 6 divided by 3, 2. Colon 3, 9 divided by 3, 3. It is the ratio of pens, book, notebook. If we write notebook colon books colon pins, then we can write 9 colon 6 colon 3. All of them divisible by 3. We divide by 3. It will become 3, 2, 1. It is the solution of this problem. Here is another example. The ratio of apples to orange is 2 by 3. 2 colon 3. If we have 20 fruit, how many apples we have? Now we want to find the number of apple. According to this information, we can write apples over the orange. It is equal to 2 by 3. It means every 5 fruits there are 2 apples and 3 orange. So we have 20. We have how many fruit we have? 20 fruit we have. How many when we divide it by 5? Here is 2 apple, 3 orange, 5. Totally there is 5 fruits. So we divide 20 by 5. It is equal to 4. We have 4 groups of fruit. Now here in every group we have 4 groups. Every group have 5 fruits. In every group which has 5 fruit, we have 2 apples, 3 fruit. Now we have how many group we have? 4 group we have. In one group we have 2 apple. 2 group we have 4 apple. In 3 group we have 6 apple. In 4 group we have 8 apples. So the number of apples is equal to 4 multiplied by how many apple we have? 2. It is equal to 8. If we want to find the number of orange, we can find as 4 multiplied by 3, it is equal to 12. Or we can write as it is equal to apple, all fruit. How many fruit we have? Fruit minus apples. It is the number of, we can find from here also 3 multiplied by 4, or we can find from here how many apple we have, fruit we have, 20 minus how many apple we have, 8. It is equal to 20 minus 8, it will become 12. 12 orange we have. It is the solution of this example. Here is another example. Ratio of sheep to chicken to pigs is to column 5, column 2, 10. If I have 51 animals, how many chicken do I have? Here, actually, we shape chicken, pig, 2, 5, 10. Every 17 animals, has, if we add these numbers, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 10, 17. Every 17 animals, 17 animals has 2 sheep, 5 chicken, chickens, and 10 pigs. Now we want to find the number of chicken. So how many animals we have? 51. Divided by 70, it is equal to 3. 3 groups of 17 animals. It means like that. So actually, if we have 51 animals, then totally we have 3 groups. 3 groups, which every group have 17 animals, and from these 17 animals, 2 of them is sheep, and 5 of them is chicken, and 10 of them is pigs. Now we want to find the number of chicken. Number of chicken is equal to how many chicken we have? 5. We have in every group we have 5 chicken. And totally how many group we have? 3 group. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 15 chickens. We have 15 chickens. It is the solution of this example. Next example. A person has 120 cats and 375 dogs. What is the ratio of cats to dogs on these dogs? Now we want to find ratio of between dog and cats. Dogs. First dimension cats, we write cat. We can write cats. First we have to write cat, then dogs, or cats over the dogs. Or we can write cats to dogs. Cats, how many cats we have? 120. Colon, how many dogs we have? 375. Or 120 divided by 375. Or 120 to 375. If all of them are divisible by 5, this also uh, 12 divided by 5, 2, here we have 20, 20 divided by 5, 4. 35 divided by 5, 7. 25 divided by 5, 5. Or we can write 24 divided by 75. Or 24 to 75. Again, we can divide these two numbers by 3. 24 divided by 3, 8. Colon, 7 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3, 5. Or 8 divided by 25. Or 8 to 25. It is the solution of this example. Thank you. Next problem, in next class we will study proportion.